Series 7 Apple Watch in for a screen refurb. Let's get it sorted. There we go. That is removed from there. These are extremely difficult to do. On the older ones, you could basically take them out of the screen, out of the housing, no problems. These, they're so much harder to get out. And the problem is a lot of people, what they'll do is when they remove it, they end up taking the OLED off of the frame, and that kills it. So you've basically take it out as one unit, because if you try and, a lot of people, they just don't go deep enough when they try and get the frame out, and they just end up taking the top off it, and that just kills it. So yeah, what we're going to do now is to unplug that from there, and then we can remove the glass. Supposedly in that corner it delaminated, where where it cracked. It just delaminated this top layer. This top layer comes off because otherwise it's going to look horrendous when that's done. So if I carefully get this top layer off the screen, I can then put the glass on, and then the locus should actually hide any of these scratches or anything like that. So it should be bang on then once it's done. But I need to get this off, because as I say, you're going to see that and it's going to look horrible otherwise. So, but yeah, basically in that corner, it had lifted it where it was all mangled up already. So there we go. So that's on there. Just testing the touch now to make sure that all works okay. Seems to be fine. So now we can glue her up and get it posted back to the customer again. There we go. All glued down. Ready to send. Job done. There we go. Right, let's get this sent back now.